Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a mali. For those of you who don't know what it is, a mali is an Egyptian dessert that was made originally using just bread and milk. And now in Egypt we use ru'a, which looks like crispy thin bread, and we add some nuts to it as well. You can still find ru'a in some Middle Eastern stores, but I stick to puff pastry as it's very common in the US. As for the ingredients, I'm using 1 pound of puff pastry. Remember to thaw them before using. I'm also using half gallon, which is about 2 liters of whole milk, half cup of sugar or to taste, sweetened coconut flakes, unpeeled hazelnuts, because who has the time to peel and roast the hazelnuts anyways? And I actually used the food processor to cut them as well. Few pulses and voila, it's ready to use. First we start with heating up the oven to 375 Fahrenheit. Then we cut the puff pastry into smaller squares. The smaller the better, as it will be more crunchy. Put them on a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper and bake at 375 Fahrenheit for about 50 minutes. Meanwhile, we start heating up the milk and adding the sugar. Take care not to boil the milk. Trust me, it happened to me a few times and I really regret it. As for the puff pastry, halfway through it will puff like this, but wait, not yet. Yes, here we go. Get it out when it gets golden brown. Let it cool a little bit, then crumble. Add your favorite nuts. Traditionally in Egypt we use raisins and hazelnuts, but I like hazelnuts and coconut instead. And mix. Add the heated milk. It should cover everything so it doesn't come out dry from the oven. Put in the oven at 375 Fahrenheit until you can't see the milk covering the pastry anymore. You can tell when it's ready when you move the pastry a little bit to the side and you can find a little bit of milk. Don't wait till it's all dry and no milk is left, because it will be just dry. Store in the fridge. And a little hack for you: if you had some leftovers of a mali, just add some milk to your plate, heat it up in the microwave, and it will taste like fresh again. And enjoy! بالهنا والشفا.